In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to gradient fill on Microsoft Word. If you're working with objects in Microsoft Word and want to add more character and detail to their appearance, you can use the gradient fill option. A gradient allows you to blend different colors together inside an object, creating a more customized look for your document. For this tutorial, we're going to use a text box as the object. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and insert a text box. Once the text box has been added to your document, select it so that the drawing and formatting tools become available. When you select the text box, you'll see the Drawing Tools Format options. These tools allow you to change different aspects of the object, including its fill and outline. Look for the Shape Fill option. This is where you can control the color and fill style used inside your selected object. Select Shape Fill to open the available fill options. You'll see several default colors that you can choose from, along with additional options for customizing the appearance of your text box. Under the Fill options, look for the Gradient option. Selecting this will open a menu with different gradient choices. The menu includes several default gradient colors that you can apply immediately to your text box. If you want more control over the gradient, select the option for More Gradients. This will open a formatting dialog where you can choose from additional fill options, including gradient fill, picture or texture fill, and other formatting choices. Under Gradient Fill, you'll see the gradient controls that allow you to customize the colors used in your text box. Look for the Gradient slider. This slider allows you to control the different color points that make up your gradient. You can work with the available color stops and select the colors you want to use. You can use 3 color stops or add additional colors if you want to create a more detailed gradient. Select each color stop and choose the color you want it to use. As you change the colors, you'll be able to see the background of the text box change at the same time. This makes it easier to adjust the gradient until you get the appearance you're looking for. Continue adjusting the color stops and their colors until you're satisfied with the gradient. You can use different combinations of colors depending on the style you want for your text box. Once you've selected the gradient you want, you can close the formatting dialog. The gradient will remain applied to your text box, giving the object a customized, filled appearance. Using Gradient Fill is a simple way to add more visual detail to objects in Microsoft Word. It gives you more control over the appearance of shapes and text boxes without needing to use a separate design program. And that's how you can change to a gradient fill in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel.